GJ Epoxy Coatings, Client Guide to Epoxy and Polyaspartic Floor Coating Installation. Welcome to GJ Epoxy Coatings. We are excited to help you enhance your space with our premium flooring solutions. This guide provides an overview of the installation process for both epoxy and polyaspartic floor coatings, so you know what to expect every step of the way. 1. Initial consultation. Our process begins with a consultation to understand your needs, preferences, and the specific area you want to coat. We will assess the condition of your existing floor and recommend the best coating solution, whether it's 100% solids, epoxy, polyaspartic, or a commercial quartz flooring system. 2. Preparing the surface. Proper preparation is crucial for a successful floor coating installation. We start by thoroughly cleaning the surface to remove any dirt, grease, or debris. Depending on the condition of your floor, we may also use mechanical grinding to create a smooth, porous surface that allows the coating to adhere better. Surface cleaning. Removal of all contaminants, mechanical preparation, grinding the floor to the appropriate texture. Repairs. Filling in any cracks or holes to ensure a smooth, even surface. 3. Applying the primer coat, epoxy only. For epoxy coatings, we begin with a primer coat. This initial layer ensures the epoxy adheres well to the concrete and helps seal the floor, reducing the risk of bubbles or imperfections in the final coating. Purpose: enhance adhesion and seal the concrete. Drying time: typically 6 to 8 hours, depending on conditions. Note, polyaspartic coatings often do not require a primer coat due to their excellent adhesion properties. We will determine if a primer is needed based on the specific project requirements. 4. Applying the base coat. After preparing the surface, we apply the base coat. For epoxy floors, this is the first layer of the epoxy. For polyaspartic floors, this is the polyaspartic base coat, which offers fast curing times and superior chemical resistance. Epoxy application. Spread evenly across the surface using rollers or squeegees. Polyaspartic application. Similar application method with a faster curing time. Drying time: 12 to 24 hours for epoxy, 1 to 2 hours for polyaspartic, depending on the product and environment. 5. Adding decorative elements, optional. If you have chosen a decorative finish, such as a metallic epoxy, flake system, or quartz broadcast, we will add these elements during or immediately after the base coat application. Both epoxy and polyaspartic coatings can accommodate decorative elements. Flakes or chips, sprinkled onto the wet base coat for texture and design. Metallic epoxy. Special techniques are used to create a unique, marbled look. Quartz broadcast adds durability and a non-slip surface, ideal for commercial spaces. 6. Applying the top coat. The final step is applying a top coat, which seals and protects the floor. The top coat can provide a glossy, matte, or satin finish, depending on your preference, and adds an extra layer of durability. Epoxy top coat protects the floor from scratches and stains. Polyaspartic top coat offers superior UV resistance, flexibility, and chemical resistance. Drying time: 24 to 48 hours for epoxy to fully cure. Polyaspartic can be ready for light use within hours. 7. Curing and final inspection. Once the top coat is applied, the floor needs time to cure fully. Polyaspartic coatings have a much faster cure time than epoxy, which can be an advantage in time-sensitive projects. Epoxy curing. Time: 72 hours for light use, 7 days for heavy use. Polyaspartic curing time: 2 to 6 hours for light use, 24 hours for full cure. Final inspection. Our team will conduct a final walkthrough to ensure the floor meets our high standards and your satisfaction. 8. Post-installation care and maintenance. To maintain the beauty and longevity of your new epoxy or polyaspartic floor, follow these simple care tips. Regular cleaning. Sweep or dust mop regularly to remove dirt and debris. Mopping. Use a damp mop with a mild detergent as needed. Avoid harsh chemicals. Do not use acidic or abrasive cleaners. Protect from scratches. Use felt pads under heavy furniture and equipment. Conclusion. Thank you for choosing GJ Epoxy Coatings. We are committed to providing you with a seamless and satisfactory experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact us at 240-346-5321 or visit our website at www.gjepoxycoatings.com.